I'm Diane. I have a question for you. Do you have some rooms in your home that you never go in? They're not very inviting, they're not very functional. Well, we had that too, and we decided to do something different, and it has changed everything for us in a number of rooms in our home. The rule was this: if you found a room you never used, let's reimagine the purpose. Let's redesign it, make it functional, whatever, so that we use it. And that's the rule, and it has been a game changer for us. Now, one such room was our living room. We never went in there. The ceilings were high, it was uninviting. So needless to say, we're always in the family room, more cozy, more intimate. I said, let's do something completely different in this living room. Let's make a fireplace the focal point, and then let's build a library around it, get some comfortable furniture, and let's cozy it up and see what happens. And wow, what a difference. And I want to show you before and after photos. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you kind of a progress of how we did this, how we did the build out, so you can kind of see what we did. But first of all, here's the before. And as you can see, the room is kind of cold, uninviting, small furniture, big room. And then we have the after. Wow, what an amazing difference. I'm in here all the time. I spent so many years in this home and never went in this room. I've spent more time in this room in the last year than I have in the whole time we've lived here. So with that said, I want to share with you specifics about this PuraFlame recessed fireplace. Now, number one, it is a recessed fireplace. It means you have to build a cutout area in the wall. You have to build out the wall so you can put this in, and it's recessed. You don't just hang it. It has to be built in. I love this fireplace because it does look realistic, to me anyway. The flames, you can change to any color you want. Now, I actually like flames that look like flames, but you can make them funky color flames. And then there are these like plastic crystal rocks along the bottom with the wood, and you can change the colors of those independent of the flame. You can actually have this put out heat. Now, a little important note on the heat. This is not to provide a heat source for you. Do not rely on it for that. It's more of like a cozy feeling. It puts out a low and a high heat setting, and it's just noticeable, but nothing that would heat your home. So don't ever think that would do that. It also has a timer in it, so you can actually program this so it goes off after, I think, up to 9 hours if you want to go that long. And then the remote control that it comes with, it will allow you to control all those features I just mentioned independent of each other. Now, I keep my remote handy. I have an ottoman here, as you can see, and I have a little fake book. You can buy these, and you can put your remote in the book so you always know where it's at. We always lose our remotes, right? That's my little tip to you. I love my new room. I love the coziness, and the fireplace made all the difference with my new library. So as promised, I want to show you some video clips and photos so you can kind of see how we built this out and what it looked like behind the scenes when we planned it. So enjoy. And what are you working on, Kevin?
I'm finding the power to run to our new LED fireplace.
Okay.
Hey everybody, a little update on our project here in the living room. Our library shelves, we've got the basic units in. I think on the last video where Diana said that we were getting started, I was in the process of trimming up these pieces of plywood, cutting the 2x4s to length. These things are 12 foot tall, so each of these pieces has a 2x4 twice all the way up. The width of the shelving unit will be, we jutted it out a little bit here at the bottom. And then on the inside, I'll match this on the outside here and then put shelves across. But these basically are 4 separate components, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the bottoms were constructed in place after Diane helped me hold these and attach them to the wall. That was a feat in and of itself because those are kind of heavy. But I tell you, it's not going to go anywhere. Then we put in the bump out for the fireplace. The LED takes the space of a 2x6, which is 5.5 inches, so it'll fit right in there really nice. There's a plug-in right there that it'll plug in, controlled by remote control. This will all have kind of like stack stone. Diana keeps calling it brick, but it's a stack stone all the way up. There'll be a mantle here, and then the stack stone all the way up to the ceiling there. Here, as you see, we've put the molding on. Actually got a couple shelves started just to kind of get an idea where it's going to go. Got the crown molding on the top. Actually got the first coat of white paint on the walls and all of the wood. We'll have a second coat here as we get closer to wrapping it up. These wood shelves, I know they look like they're thin right now, but they're going to have a little beefy support underneath there, and then they'll have a face on them. They'll be about 2 inches wide when they're all said and done. Got the fireplace ready to go that it came in today, so that's going to be going in here shortly. I don't know if you can see this down here. I got some granite. I found a really cool piece of granite online. We've got a place in town here called The Yard, and they sell remnant. Well, they sell all kinds of granite, but they have specialty remnant pieces for, I mean, pennies on the dollar, which is really amazing. If you were to go to a regular remnant or regular granite place, this piece probably cost you $300, you know. And I got it for $100 plus they cut it. So that's a smoking deal. Those are the things you need to look out for when you're making your own stuff, you know, and you're trying to save you a couple bucks here and there. Got a little bit of the stack stone started. I bought it at our local Home Depot. As I said, the fireplace was in. We're going to put that in this spot right here. And we decided against bringing the stack stone all the way down to the granite hearth. We're going to take the granite up to the mantle. So I think that's going to look really, really dang cool. So that's kind of the update right now. And all right, I've already plugged it in. There's an outlet back here in the backside. You can use just a regular outlet. You don't even have to do a specialty outlet. You plug it into a regular wall outlet, which is really kind of cool. So we're just going to lift this up, Di. I'm going to put my hand in first to make sure that I have the wires clear over here. And then you're just going to put your hand in. Whoa.
Whoa! Did you mean for that to come on?
This is just tentatively sitting in there.
That's pretty.
Pretty cool.
Do you have to put rocks in it or anything?
Yeah, you got your choice between stones and limbs.